Hello friends, welcome to my channel Astro Tyagi. In this video, we will discuss the astrological predictions of fluctuations in prices of gold and silver in COMEX MCX during the period 27th to 31st of July 2020. First, we will see fluctuations of momentum in the prices of gold and then we will move to silver. So first let us study gold. 27th of July has already passed, but I will show you how were my astrological predictions for that date so you can judge well. Here we go. So in this graph we can see that there is an upward momentum in the prices of gold for this day, and on 27th July the prices of gold actually rose from $1901 to almost $1944. The time on the horizontal axis that you see is my local Indian time. You have to convert it into GMT or EDT with the help of Google. The vertical axis contains of units which are of not much use, but the momentum of graph will give you how the prices will vary on a particular day. So on 27th you can see that the prices show an upward momentum and prices actually rose on this day. Now we will move to 28th of July. Let us move. Here on your screen you can see the graph of 28th of July, and this day also shows an upward momentum in the prices of gold. So prices of gold can rise on this day too, and since this increase is quite significant, there can be a substantial rise in the prices of gold on this day. Now let us see the fluctuations in the prices of gold on 29th of July. Let us move to that date. Here we have moved. For the substantial period on this day, you can see that there is an increase in momentum of prices of gold. So prices will increase on this day to a good extent. However, after 9 p.m. India time, that is 2100 hours Indian time, Indian Standard Time, the momentum can slow down and there might not be a fall, but at least the growth will be checked according to this graph. However, according to the circumstance, the checking is also a relative term here. So if we see the graphs of 28th here and 29th of July, we can easily conclude that these are good days for selling. Let us move to the curve of 30th of July and let us see how will be the momentum of gold on that day. The graph of 30th July seems to be a tricky one, as you can see here. No doubt that on this day gold should end up at a lower price than its opening, but we have to consider the fall according to the support level of that particular day and how the prices are behaving on that particular day. Only then we can conclude that how much will it fall and how much momentum the gold will lose. However, it shows that after 8 p.m. India time there can be increase in momentum of prices. So prices can be low for almost whole day, and after 8 p.m. Indian time they can start rising. Now let us move to the final day of the week, 31st of July 2020. On this day you can see that prices will initially fall, or there will be a lack of momentum in the prices of gold, but once the price starts picking up they will rise to some good level on the final day. So according to my opinion, the prices of gold on 31st of July 2020 should also rise and end up at a price higher than the opening. However, I repeat, 30th of July can be a tricky day for people who trade in gold. That is because that particular day, that is 30th of July, shows a loss in momentum of prices. So we will have to see how much will gold prices fall or how much slow is their growth on that particular day. Now let us analyze the chart of whole week from 27th to 31st of July. I have also included 25th and 26th of July because although there is a closure of market on those days, but planetary movements do not cease to exist. Let us move to the chart. This is the graph you can see, and on 28th and 29th of July 2020 you can see an easy rise in the prices of gold. So people who have bought gold in past can short in this week for a good amount of gain. The only questions that remains to be answered is whether gold touches the mark of $2,000 in this week or not. Now let us move to the prices of silver. Let us move to the chart. Here you can see mostly an upward momentum in the prices of silver on 27th of July, and actually on this day silver moved upward in prices, so you can say that this curve is quite accurate in terms of momentum. Now let us see how will gold behave on 28th of July 2020. Let us move to the chart of that day for silver. Here you can see the fluctuations in the momentum of prices of silver for 28th of July, and it easily tells that the prices of silver will have an upward momentum on this day and they should rise. There will be intermittent fall in the momentum of prices, that is, you can say there will be breaks in the rise of prices. But overall on this day, that is on 28th of July, silver should end up at comfortably higher price than its opening value. Let us now see how will silver behave on 29th of July. Here you can see the curve, and the curve easily reflects an upward momentum in the prices of silver. So just like gold, silver will also comfortably rise to a substantial level on 29th of July, you can see. So this can be a good day to sell off silver if you bought it before. Let us now see how will silver behave on 30th of July 2020. Let us move to the chart and see how will silver behave. Now if we follow this chart shows fall, but how much will the prices fall, or how much they will be controlled, or you can say how much their fall will be controlled, will be judged by the market conditions of that particular day. But this day does not show much rise in the prices of silver. However, these increase in momentum at some places can pull up the prices of silver on this particular day. You can see there are three easy curves where you can see a rise in prices of silver. One is here, another rise you can see is here, and the final rise is after Indian evening here. Now let us move to the final day, 31st of July. To know how will silver prices behave on this day, you can see the curve on your screen now. Just like gold, there can be small checks in the momentum of prices, but overall silver prices should rise on this day, just like the behavior of gold. So comparing the prices of silver and gold on 30th of July, we can conclude that the prices of gold might not fall on 30th of July too much. I can be wrong too, but if we observe the behavior of silver as well as gold, they follow the same path, almost same path. So it might be wrong to conclude that gold will fall more than silver on that particular day. Either both will remain in control, or both will see only a smaller rise on this day, that is on 30th of July. But on 31st of July, both of them should rise. This is the final day of the week as well as the month. Before I wind up the video, I will like to once again remind you that my analysis is solely based on astrology, only and only astrological basis of my video. If you wish to invest in gold and silver or other commodities, please do it on the advice of your financial analyst and technical advisor, and not only on my advice. My video is only for educational purpose and to show how astrology can be used to predict the fall and rise in the momentum of prices of gold and silver. Thank you for all the mixed feedback, positive as well as negative, that I have been receiving in the comment section of my previous videos of gold and silver. If you like my predictions and if you want more videos to come up, please subscribe to my channel Astro Tyagi. If you have any suggestions to give, you can email them to me at astrotyagi@gmail.com or write down in the comment section. or send me a WhatsApp at +919911195522. If you find my graphs to be accurate enough, please help me grow by sharing these videos in the groups you are a member of. I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a good time. Take care. Namaste, friends.